Y'all, I printed my own peel and stick paper. Hi everyone, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Let's use our own peel and stick paper on a very common craft. Stay tuned. Y'all, welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you are here, whether you've been with me from the beginning or you are new to my channel. I am just so glad that we are able to spend this time together. We are going to do something really cute today using some of my new peel and stick paper. Y'all, the craft is going to be one that we've done several times on the channel, but I'm going to show you just how easy it is to use the peel and stick paper. So I'm going to flip to my overhead camera to give you a closer look at what we are going to be making, but y'all know what time it is. It's time to make it. So I have several styles of peel and stick paper available on my website. So when you head out to my website, click on this image right over here to see the various styles that I have available. Y'all, they are fantastic. Not only are they available in peel and stick paper, but they're also available in print and ship. They're also available in digital, so you take your pick of how you want to receive, because this is one of the patterns in the collection. And what I did was I used it to make a double chunk, and a double chunk for me is a notebook that has 2 of the 4x6 Dollar Tree notepads in it. And we have it in a little bifold booklet. Like I said, we make a lot of these in different ways on the channel, but we've never used our peel and stick, and that is what we're going to do today. So y'all know that I get a lot of peel and stick wallpaper from Dollar Tree, but I was sitting around thinking, not only do they have beautiful ones at Dollar Tree, but I have some beautiful papers that I can turn into peel and stick. So here is what we're going to be working with today. This is going to be my inside liner. This is a peel and stick that I'm going to be using. This will cover the notebooks. And this is also a peel and stick that we'll be using to cover the outside of the jacket. So in the collection, the peel and stick will consist of this pattern, this flower pattern, and then a large plaid pattern that I think you'll really enjoy. So each particular collection will have 4 designs in it. So I really do want you to see just how easy this is. Now, if you decide to purchase the peel and stick paper, here's how I get the separation. I just take a piece of tape and I'm putting that tape right here in the corner, and it'll catch, and then I can just pull. But if you don't want to use your tape, there is just a little bit of an overhang that you might be able to grab with your fingernails, but I like to use my tape because it helps me to get in there and pull away. So what I have is I have 2 pieces of chipboard that measure 4 1/4 by 6 1/4, and I have 1 piece of chipboard that measures 3/4 of an inch by 6 1/4. So we're simply going to take these and place them down. I'll place this piece down with about 1/8 of an inch in spacing in between. And then we'll take this piece and we'll place it down with about 1/8 of an inch in spacing in between. You don't have to have my peel and stick paper to be able to do this. Very easy to do with just your standard 8.5 by 11 inch paper. You'll just need to apply adhesive to your chipboard. So now I'm going to take my finger blade and I'm going to miter my ends. And if you want to print your own peel and stick papers, it doesn't have to be my papers at all. I will have a link in the description box of the paper type that I'm using. I am using a vinyl paper, so you get that durability of the vinyl. So I am just going to fold this over, then we'll pull real tight and fold this over and fold this over. And then we'll get everything nice and stuck. And there is our beautiful jacket. Now I'm going to take the liner piece, bring in my scoreboard, flip this over to the scoring side so that I can get an accurate measurement of the size. Now this is about 9.5 by 6 1/4. So whenever I'm using an inside liner, I always reduce by 1/4 of an inch. So my 6 1/4 is going to become 6. My 9.5 will become 9 1/4. So I am going to trim my inside liner to 9 1/4 by 6. So I'm going to take this and flip it over to the trimmer side because I need this to be flat all the way across. I'm going to trim here at 6, and then I'm going to trim here at 9 1/4. This is, I did print this on sticker paper, so if you purchase the digital download only, you'll have the option of how you want to print it, whether you want to print it on plain paper or sticker paper. So then we're going to take this piece and we're going to put it down like this. So I am going to grab a piece of tape. I'm going to take that tape, put it right there in the corner, and just pull back. And now I can take this piece and we can put it down like that. Getting it nice and stuck. Then I'll make sure that I go into my spine area. And we're going to get that nice and stuck. And then on this side, we'll do the same thing. We're going to go into that spine area to get everything nice and stuck. And y'all, there is the jacket. I used my peel and stick paper for this inside and out. So that made this come together very quickly. Again, you don't have to have peel and stick paper for this. I'm providing measurements, so just use those measurements to use your normal papers and trim those down to the sizes that I'm giving and apply adhesive in the way that you always see me apply adhesive. So now we're going to take our books, and since I want to put 2 books down, I'm going to put them in like this. But if I really wanted this to show, I would only put 1, but we're going to put our 2 books on this. So this is not sticker paper because I wanted to use some lightweight cardstock to get a heavier feel for the top. So I'm going to take this and we're going to trim it down to 5 3/4 and 4. And we're going to have 2 pieces that are 5 3/4 by 4. So now I'm going to grab my tape, put some tape on both pieces, and then we'll place these down. So now let's bring in the notebooks, and we're going to take these and we'll be putting them down just like this. So I'm going to peel away the tape backers. And I'll take this one, and I'm basically trying to align it on the side as well as the bottom as best I can. Getting that stuck. Let's see where I was a little bit off there. And then we'll do this one as well. And for those of you who are interested in the papers, they will be listed on my website, so please check it out. So we're going to do the same thing with this one. I'm going to line it up on the side, and we'll put that down right there. And now these are going to go in our book, just like this. And y'all, I think that is just so cute. So now I'm going to take some tape. I can put these down with glue, but I'm just going to put them down with tape. We'll place some tape right there, and some tape on this one, and some tape right here. Now I'm going to take these two and just put them together like this. Let's go ahead and figure out how we want them placed in the book. Then I'm going to open, peel away the tape backer. And I'm doing it this way because I want these to be even. So then I'll just fold that over like that. And then I'll remove my tape from this one. Going to get it nice and even with this book. And then I'll just take this side and we will fold over. And now we have two evenly spaced books. Y'all, that was such an easy peasy process. Now we're going to do something very simple to the outside. I'm just adding some tape to a cut apart, and I'm going to place this cut apart right there. And I have two cut aparts that I'm going to use on the inside. So I'm adding tape. I'll place this one right here and add tape to my last one. And I wanted to mount these to gold because, y'all, I'm on a gold paper kick lately. So we're going to add it like this. So now I'm going to bring in my trimmer. And trim away here. Trim here for that one. Trim away here. And trim away here. So now I'm going to take this one that says Life is a Collection of Moments, and we're going to put it on the front. So let's just add our tape, and I am going to be very generous with my tape because I don't want this coming undone. So I am going to take this and put it down like that. Y'all, that is just simply stunning. It's the little things. We don't have to do a whole lot, and I don't. But it's just those little things that really do make a difference. And I'm going to add tape here. This one says spread your wings and fly. So I think I'm going to put it right there. I think I got that just a little bit crooked, but y'all know I'm just going to leave it because peeling it up would ruin my paper. And I am not trying to do that. So I'm just going to add some tape. And we're going to take this one, and it says, You are my sun, moon, and stars. And we'll take this one, and we're going to put it right there. Easy peasy using vinyl peel and stick paper for the outside of the jacket. as well as the inside liner of the jacket. However you choose to use yours is totally up to you, but if you do decide to order some of the peel and stick paper, I hope that you have a lot of fun crafting whatever it is you intend to make. But y'all, aren't these just adorable? I think they are. So, very common project that we did, but I wanted to share with you some of the new papers, so I decided to keep it simple and just do some double chunks. So I hope that you have enjoyed this fun, quick, and easy project, and I hope you have enjoyed hearing about my newest paper type, peel and stick. If you have, please hit the like button. If you're not a subscriber to my channel, I'd love to have you join this amazing online crafting family. You guys, as always, please be safe, be kind, and be the reason someone smiles today. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.